Hello, how are you today? I'm fine, thank you. How are you? It's nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. What is your name? My name is Anna. That's a beautiful name. Thank you very much. How old are you? I am 25 years old. Really? You look younger. Thank you. I hear that often. Where are you from? I am from the USA. Which city do you live in? I live in New York. What do you do? I am a teacher. Do you enjoy your job? Yes, I love teaching children. Are you married? No, I'm single. You have more time for yourself. Yes, that's true. Do you have brothers or sisters? Yes, I have one brother. Is he older or younger than you? He is younger than me. What does your mother do? She is a nurse. That's a very important job. Yes, she works very hard. Do you love your family? Yes, very much. Family is very important. I agree with you. Thank you for watching, friends. We hope you enjoyed this conversation. Please like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye, friends. See you again.